Anatomical scan clear. All systems verifying green.
Processing approval for transfer.
Convoy 7, maintain speed at 0.5 meters per second.
Acknowledged. Approaching the threshold now.
Check the thickness right here.
Reading confirmed. Logging the data now.
Temperature holding steady at 37.5.
Noted. We are approaching the critical phase in T-minus 4 hours.
The sanding process is critical for evening the shagreen.
Yes, but the polishing stage is where the luster really develops.
From the raw shagreen texture you see here, we can achieve this full spectrum of vibrant.
Batch code 47 Delta, inspection complete.
Confirmed on the manifest.
Check the stitching here on the dorsal line.
Looks clean.
Looks clean. How's the finish?
We meticulously manage the entire journey, ensuring premium quality at every step, from raw hide to the finished product.
We move it from tanning straight to shaping here.
And the timing for the tanning process remains the same as last quarter. Okay, pull that one to the right. This stack is ready for Bay 4.
The Q3 output is down significantly here.
Yes, and incidents are up. We need a corrective action plan by Friday.
Agreed. Let's review the new safety protocols now.
We've achieved a perfect matte finish here, contrasting with the high gloss next to it.
The consistency across the samples is impressive.
Lower it slowly, watch the side. Okay, set it down now. Next pallet ready.
Crate is secure. Locking motorized clamps.
Roger that. Doors closing now.